Trying to sell your home fast and for top dollar? Don't start with the kitchen, start with the curb. Today, I'm breaking down the smartest landscaping upgrades that can boost your resale value and help you close the deal quicker. According to real estate experts, curb appeal can influence a buyer's first impression within seconds. In fact, well-done landscaping can add 7 to 14% to your home's value. A patchy or weedy lawn screams neglect. Fresh sod, fertilizer, or overseeding can make a massive impact for under $500. Adding mulch is one of the cheapest ways to make your yard pop. Aim for dark brown or black mulch for that clean and finished look. Clean lines make your yard look professionally maintained. Use stone, metal, or plastic edging to define flower beds, walkways, and driveways. Solar lighting along the walkway not only improves safety, but adds a touch of luxury. It's subtle, affordable, and buyers love it. Plant colorful flowers near the entrance. Think red, yellow, or purple, colors that emotionally resonate with buyers. Skip these mistakes. Over landscaping, high maintenance features, and personalized decor like gnomes or signs. Landscaping doesn't just make your house prettier, it can make it more profitable. Smart outdoor upgrades pay off when it's time to sell. Like, comment, and subscribe for more ways to turn grass into cash.